Hello treasures, welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Bisa, your health educator. I share with you simple ways and tips on how to remain healthy in order to improve your performance and productivity. And these steps will surely affect you positively, spirit, soul, and body. I know you will enjoy what we share here, so if you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Also share out our videos and remember that you are always treasured. So in today's video we are talking about our teeth, which is oral hygiene, basically the teeth. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Oral disease affects about 3.5 billion of the world population, and 90% of the world population will have an oral disease in their life. Oral Health Day is celebrated on the 20th of March every year, and the theme of this year was Be Proud of Your Mouth. Be proud of your mouth. On today's segment, I'll be sharing with us tips or things we need to do in order to be proud of your mouth. It's also advised that you inculcate those habits in your children so it gets easier for them to practice and also to pass it on to others. So the first tip today is brush your mouth twice daily. Brush your mouth twice daily. It is advised that you brush after breakfast and after dinner. After breakfast and after dinner. The second tip is you should rinse your mouth with a mouthwash, a saline water, or even normal water. That's if these two are not reachable. So it's advised that after eating something, you could rinse your mouth with mouthwash. Mouthwash usually contains chlorhexidine, which is a chemical that protects our teeth from plague and also our gum from inflammation. If you don't have a mouthwash, you can also add salt to water, to warm water, and use it to rinse your mouth. Make sure you gargle properly and spit out. You can also use plain water, maybe you're on the go and you can't access this other two. You can also use plain water to rinse your mouth, just to make sure that the remnant of whatever you've eaten does not remain. Then the third tip is please change your toothbrush every 3 months. So how long have you been using that toothbrush? If it is more than 3 months, then it's time to change it. So it's important we change our toothbrush every 3 months, and we should go for toothbrush that has soft bristles. Toothbrush that have soft bristles. That the bristles are hard does not mean they brush your teeth very well. In fact, it means they brush your tooth very bad, and they can even cause harm to your gums. The fourth tip for today is we should floss regularly. We should floss regularly. Floss is like a tiny rope. I'm bringing out my own here. A tiny rope. You pass it in between the teeth and use it to clean dirt from that area of your teeth. So floss regularly. F-L-O-S-S. Floss regularly. You can ask your dental doctor for where to get this, but I know it's in supermarkets. Also, another thing you should do is to use charcoal at least once a month. You know, when we are little, I can remember us using charcoal to wash. So when I was reading about this topic and I also saw that charcoal can actually be used, I was so excited and I had to go get for my children, and I want to tell you that I used it and it worked perfectly. So use charcoal to cleanse your enamel from time to time. It helps to remove the build-up and even some discoloration on the teeth, because the charcoal contains, activated charcoal contains some active elements that will help remove whatever build-up you have in your teeth. But it is advised you use it once in a while. That's why I recommend you use at least once a month, because it can also damage the enamel. It can make them to become softer if you use it often. Another thing you should try to do is to use chewing stick. Use chewing stick. You can get the a part or the stick or the branch of maybe guava. This from guava, dogon yarrow tree, and just plants around you, and break it out, and you use it to brush. That chewing stick helps to reduce plaque formation, reduce cavity formation. It also improves taste in your mouth, and it removes odor. So what a wonderful thing. And to say it, many of us have guava trees, dogonyaro trees, so many trees that we can use the stick from them as chewing stick, or you can go to the market and buy already polished ones. Then finally, do well to see your dentist at least twice a year. It is important to see your dentist at least twice a year, so that he or she assesses the tooth, make sure they're in good order, and also try to stop whatever might be forming or any disease that might be in their early stage immediately. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to drop your comments in the comment section, and if you have any question, also drop them. Do you have a video suggestion? I would also love to see it in the comment section. God bless you, and do have a wonderful day. Remember, you are always treasured. Bye.